Hey girls and boys! In this video we're going to do some number strings together so you can get a writing tool and some paper and follow along. When I give you an equation to solve, you can pause the video, solve that equation with a strategy of your choosing, and then press play when you're ready to see what strategy I chose. Today we're going to calculate the sum of some addition equations, and we're going to practice splitting up those numbers and using sort of expanded notation to figure out some trickier sums. So let's take a look at a first one. Let's take a look at 4 plus 6. So you can figure that out. Now this one, you might even know right off the top of your head because it's a friendly fact. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now, if I wasn't sure of that, I could have done a number line. I'd maybe start with 6 because it's the greater number, and then I'd add 4 ones. So I've got 7, 8, 9, 10. Either strategy, I get 10. Now let's add 40 plus 30. So in this equation here, again, I could try different ways. I'm going to start with 40, and then I'd add 3 groups of 10 to add 30. So I've got 40, 50, 60, 70. Next, I'd like you to add 44 plus 36. So there are different ways to solve that equation. The way I'm going to try is by splitting those numbers. So I'm going to split the tens, so I've got 40 plus 30, and the ones, so I've got 4 plus 6. So that adds up to 70 plus 10. And I know 7 tens plus 10 tens equals 80. So that would equal 80. Next, let's solve 50 plus 30. So there are different ways you could think about this. I think I'm just going to think of it as 5 plus 3. So if 5 plus 3 equals 8, 5 tens plus 3 tens will equal 80. Now I would like you to solve 57 plus 33. So I just figured out 50 plus 30 equals 80. So I know the 50 plus 30 equals 80, and I've still got the 7 and the 3. So 7 plus 3 is a friendly fact. I know that equals 10. And 8 plus 10, 8 tens plus 1 10 equals 90, just like that. Next, we're going to solve this fact, 7 plus 7. You could solve it a few different ways. I know it's a doubles fact, so I could even just use my doubles fact and know that's 14. If you wanted instead, you could start at 7 and look for the next benchmark number. So the next benchmark number is going to be 10. I know I need to add 3 to get to 10. So if I'm adding 7, I've already added the 3. That means I need to add 4 more. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Either way, I get 14. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. What about 37? What about 37 plus 27? So again, I'm going to split those up. I know the 7 plus 7 will equal 14, and then I've got 30 plus 20. So I've got those 3 numbers. I'm going to add the 30 and the 20. I know that's 50. And I still need to add the 14. I'd like to split up the 14 just to make it a little easier on myself. I'm going to decompose it into 10 and 4, the 10s and the 1s. 50 plus 10 equals 60 plus 4. So I know if I count forward 4 from 60, I'll get to 64. We've just got 2 more to do. This time let's look at 33 plus 27. And I'm going to split those up again. Let's do the 10s and the 1s. So 30 plus 20 is 50, and 3 plus 7 is 10. 50 plus 10 equals 60. So 33 plus 27 equals 60. Now we've just got one more equation. Let's take a look at 62 plus 22. So in this equation here, I'm going to again split up the tens and the ones. 60 plus 20 equals 80. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 80 plus 4 equals 84. So 62 plus 22 equals 84.
Thanks for following along, grade 2s. Bye!